Hi, this is Dina again. Welcome to Learn and Share channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button subscribe, learn and share. So, in this lesson, I'm going to talk about letter I or vowel I. Letter I can be short and long. In the first case, it is actually short, but in other cases, it is long. So actually, there are some rules when it is pronounced like I and when it is pronounced like E. So, in the first case, it is short. As there is one syllable, which means there is only one vowel, has only one syllable. So, that's why it is short E. Let's read them together. Tim, Tim, Kim, Kim, Kit, 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 sit, sit, bit, bit, tip, tip. So, in these cases, the vowel I is actually pronounced like I. The reason is words finish to letter E. So, in all cases, words finish to letter E. However, we don't pronounce the letter E here. So, it means letter E is silent in all cases. However, we pronounce it like I. Let's read the words together. Ice, ice, bike, bike, like, line, line, fine, fine, wine, wine, time, time. Let's continue reading. Drive, drive, thrive, thrive, bright, bright, crime, crime, price, price, invite, invite, and polite, polite. So, in these cases, we don't say the letter E. We don't pronounce the last letter E. So, letter E is silent in those cases. However, we pronounce this letter like I. Okay, let's review all words one more time. I'm gonna go first. If you want to, you can repeat after me. I'm gonna give you for some time to repeat after me. Tim, Kim, kid, kit, sit, bit, tip. Okay, let's go on. Ice, bike, like, line, fine, wine, time, drive, thrive, thrive, bright, bright, crime, price, invite, polite. Okay, so in this lesson, I'm going to talk about long I. How do you pronounce these words? Let's check that out. Actually, this is super easy. You gotta just know the rule, how to read those words correctly, how to pronounce these words correctly. So, actually, we don't pronounce letters G and H, which means we don't say letter G and H are silent. Let's try to read the first word. R-I, rai. We don't say those two letters. Rai, right, right. All right, it's all right. All right. Br, bri, bright, bright. Sight, eyesight, sight. Tight or tights, tight, tight. Might, might. You might be right, right? You might be right, right? Fight, fight, fight. Night, night, good night. High, high. How high is the Mount Everest? How high is the Mount Everest? Tonight, tonight. Okay,